Hold on. Did you know that the sun sends more energy to Earth in a single hour than all of humanity consumes in an entire year? That's an absolutely mind-blowing fact, and it perfectly sets the stage for what we're diving into today. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We are on a mission to harness a tiny piece of that colossal power by finding the absolute best solar science kit you can buy for under $30. Whether you're a curious kid, a science fair champion in the making, or just a parent looking for an awesome screen-free activity, we've got 5 amazing products for you. We're going to break down which one offers the best value, the most projects, and the most reliable power, comparing them all head-to-head so you know exactly which kit deserves your money. Let's get these solar experiments rolling. All the links are in the description. Go check them out after the video. 6. 4M Green Science Solar Rover, the eco-friendly starter. The 4M Green Science Solar Rover kicks off our list by offering a wonderfully simple project that hits all the core concepts of solar energy and mechanics. This kit's most distinguishing feature is its reliance on a recycled soda can to form the body of the rover, a brilliant design choice that instantly introduces a lesson in sustainability. While the box says ages 5+, the gear assembly is really best for kids 8 and up, or a 5-year-old with a very helpful adult. In direct sunlight, this little rover zips right along, providing that satisfying aha moment of energy conversion. However, because solar can be finicky, 4M included a backup AAA battery option. This is a massive advantage over the solar-only fans we'll see later, ensuring the fun doesn't stop just because a cloud rolls by. It's a high-quality, focused build, but it's only one project. What do you think about the recycling component? Is using a soda can a cool feature or just an extra hassle? Let me know in the comments. 5. Toyandona DIY Solar Fan, the pure physics lesson. Next up is the Toyandona DIY Solar Fan, which strips the solar concept down to its absolute essentials: a panel, a motor, and a fan blade. It's the most direct demonstration of the photovoltaic effect on our list, making it a great classroom tool for visualizing a basic electrical circuit without complex gears. However, that simplicity comes with some trade-offs. The frame often uses thin plastic or balsa wood that feels a bit flimsy compared to the sturdy 4M rover. More importantly, the solar panel can be inconsistent. While it should spin eagerly in the sun, it sometimes sputters if the light isn't absolutely perfect. Unlike the rover, there is no battery backup here, meaning it's an outdoor-only project. If you're looking for the absolute lowest cost to demonstrate a concept, this is it. But for a repeatable, fail-proof science project, the inconsistency might lead to some frustration. Have you ever bought a solar toy that just wouldn't work? Tell me about your most frustrating solar experiment fail below. 4. Technology. Small Maker Solar Fan Puzzle. The craftsmanship king. Stepping up from the flimsiness of basic plastic, we have the technology Small Maker Solar Fan Puzzle. This kit blends solar science with the satisfying challenge of a 3D wooden puzzle. It's a 2-in-1 activity. First, you use spatial reasoning to assemble the laser-cut wooden pieces, and then you wire up the motor to see it spin. What sets this apart is the final result. It's a sturdy, display-worthy object that looks professional enough for a science fair or a desk keepsake. It's far more durable than the Toyandona fan, though it shares the same weakness. It is 100% dependent on direct sunlight. It won't work indoors under a lamp, so keep that in mind. But if you value a high-quality construction experience and a visually impressive finished product over doing 10 different smaller experiments, this is a stellar choice. Which matters more to you? Having one super high-quality finished model, or a kit with 8 different models you can build? Tell me your preference. 3. 8-in-1 STEM Science and Engineering Kit, the Variety Champion. Now we arrive at the heavy hitter, the 8-in-1 STEM Science and Engineering Kit. This is basically a comprehensive science curriculum in a box. For under $30, you get 8 totally distinct projects, including a solar car, a mechanical dinosaur claw, an anti-gravity device, and even a telescope. This sheer volume is an incredible value proposition. The laser-cut wood pieces offer a satisfying snap fit, and the breadth of topics, from optics to mechanics, keeps kids engaged for days rather than hours. While the solar car still needs direct sun, the kit includes many non-solar projects, so the fun doesn't end when the clouds roll in. The only trade-off is that you usually have to take one project apart to build the next. But that's actually a great lesson in engineering, literacy, and part reuse. For maximum educational mileage, this is the undisputed champ. Which of these 8 projects sounds the most fun to you? I'm voting for the dinosaur claw. 1. DIY-FM radio and Solar Fan Kit, the functional electronics master. Finally, taking the top spot is the DIY-FM radio and Solar Fan Kit. This kit wins because it offers 2 fundamentally different, high-value projects, a mechanical solar fan and a sophisticated digital FM radio. The radio moves beyond simple wood assembly and plunges you into the world of circuit theory with resistors and capacitors. The best part? The finished product is a real, functional radio that you can use every day. This gives a much deeper sense of accomplishment than a toy that only works for 5 minutes in the sun. Plus, the radio works indoors using battery or USB power, solving the reliability issues that plague other kits. It's a more challenging build, best for kids 10 to 12, but it offers the most profound scientific achievement on the list. If you had to choose, would you rather build a working radio or a working robot? Tell me your ultimate STEM project. Conclusion and final verdict. There you have it. 5 fantastic ways to explore the power of the sun for under $30. The best all around. The DIY-FM radio kit is the champion for its functional final product and deep electronics lesson. The best variety. The 8-in-1 STEM kit offers the most replay value and different experiments for your money. The best for beginners. The 4M Solar Rover is perfect for younger builders thanks to its battery backup and cool recycling theme. No matter which you choose, you're sparking a curiosity for engineering without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If this helped you pick a project, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. All links are in the description. Happy building!